And we can. Oh, that's beautiful.
This is on behalf of everyone.
Thank you guys so much. I can't even begin. Oh, I'm going to start crying now, and I have to go cry tonight. Oh.
It's okay.
I will miss you all. The very best part of being here at Downtown Magnets has been the students and my colleagues, particularly my colleagues in the AVID program. So I really want to wish all of you the very best. I'm going to come back and see you all graduate next year and the following years. And I just want you to know that you're wonderful and keep on pushing yourselves because you have it. Okay? Thank you so much.